Unleash your full potential with the women's tank top from Bullrunners. Sustainable, sleek, and made just for you. If you're an active woman, you know the importance of having high-quality workout gear that can keep up with your routine. One piece of gear that should never be overlooked is a good tank top, and the women's tank top from Bullrunners is an excellent choice. This tank top is the ultimate performance gear that every active woman needs. Made from a blend of 82% polyester and 18% spandex. It offers a four-way stretch, allowing the fabric to move and recover with your body in every direction. Whether you're running, lifting weights, or practicing yoga, this tank top will keep up with you every step of the way. But the women's tank top isn't just high-performing. It's also made with a smooth, comfortable microfiber yarn that feels great against your skin. You'll love the way it feels as you push yourself to your limits during your workout. Its precision-cut and hand-sewn construction truly sets the women's tank top apart. Each shirt is made to order, ensuring that you receive a product that's tailored specifically to your body. By making products on demand instead of in bulk, Bullrunners is helping to reduce overproduction and waste, making it a responsible and sustainable choice for conscious consumers. The women's tank top is available in a range of sizes, so you can find the perfect fit for your body type. Its sleek, modern design will have you feeling confident and stylish on every workout, and its high-performance properties will keep you comfortable and supported from start to finish. Not only is the women's tank top a great choice for your workouts, but it's also a responsible choice for the planet. By choosing a product that's made on demand, you're helping to reduce waste and overproduction, making it a sustainable choice for conscious consumers. So what are you waiting for? Don't let your workout be compromised by ill-fitting and uncomfortable clothes. Upgrade your activewear game with the women's tank top from Bullrunners and feel confident and comfortable during every workout. And the best part? You'll be making a positive impact on the planet by choosing a product that's sustainably made just for you. Take a step towards a better and more responsible future by making thoughtful purchasing decisions. Click the link in the description below to order your women's tank top now and start your journey toward a happier, healthier you.